th book name td should be inside the tr. Right, one more tr. Th call as span equal to 2. Button save book. So this form is ready. We need to display the value in the right side now. We need to take the value, process, and save inside the list. Okay, so for that, already we have a variable new book. Now we have to write a function to take the value of this text box. Like in the hooks also, we have written the function. Here also we have to write a function to pick the value of text box. So after the constructor, you will write a function pick value, and for this function you will create a instance object here, and you will write as a alert obj dot target dot value, the value of text box. Then for text box directly you can call here on change equal to this dot pick value. Simple. When we start typing, alert should come. Check now, enter the value, alert is coming. The function earlier we used to write inside as a hooks, and here we are calling the function. Inside function we are passing the value directly. But now function is separate, and for this function we create a object here called as a obj. Now where you call the function for the particular element, take the value. Object dot target the value. Where you call the function that is called as a targeted element, take their value. If you write here called type, it will give you as a text. If you write max length, it will not give anything because we have not written the max length. Suppose let's write here called text and then type anything. It will give the not text as a type, typ type. So what is the type of this text box? As a text. It will give you the text. Check here. Check box. Say type here something, anything. It's saying as a text. Type is a text. But we don't want type, we want that value. Whichever the value we write, that value should come here. So ABCD, when we start writing, that will come as a
type it number, then number will come.
no, here we have not given the type equal to number. No. If we'll write type equal to number, then number will type is a number. So value is coming quickly. We can go here and do the set state. This dot set state. Inside the set state, variable name is what? New book. New book colon this line, the target dot value. Where you are calling, their value bring and give to whom? The state. And a state will pass to the via state. We are updating the value under the new variable. New book we have empty here. Now when we start typing character by character from text box, it will come and go to the new book, store under the state. Then next after that, there should be a save button. There should be a save button. Now write a function called save. We have to do here also set state only. We need to take from the new book and give to the book list. Book list colon this dot state dot book list dot concat this dot state dot new book. So I should the line will be helpful. So once you click on save button, it will take from the new book and concat under the book list and update under the book list again. So this save function we can call on click here. We have a function button on click. This dot save. That's all. Saving will happen, listing will happen. Both will work clearly. Okay, so ready? Saving. Data should save and set data should list also. Yes, if you enter nairs, HTML, name value, save. I mean, yes, JS.
Where
Save.
new book is not defined.
Hmm.
New book is not defined.
Check here, the variable.
I created.
Adding.
Yeah, I already added.
Okay. So, though wise small changes is there, but at this point I don't feel very difficult to understand. So here once we use concat function, push function will not work. There we have used a spread operator. Here instead of cross spread operator, we have to use the concat function. For single dimensional array and for multi-dimensional array, both concat will work here. Okay, and concept is like old value plus new value and equal to update the original value. In original value, we are updating with the new value.
Last closed curly brace is that one for constructor, right?
Constructor is end here only in beginning. Last curly bracket is for the class.
Same error.
Hmm?
Still same error, sir.
Here, have you created the variable in constructor?
That is good.
In,
Yeah, I created.
You send me your constructor and send me this one. These three functions send me. I'll find you where is the error. Remaining code.
Yeah, sending.
After book name, why there is a colon? New book you are given, colon why given there? Okay, new book colon empty you are given. That is fine. Then send the remaining code.
Concat.
This dot state dot book list dot concat. Inside what you have written is wrong. This dot state dot book list dot concat. This dot state dot new book.
Okay. I have written only new books. Yeah, now it is fine. Fine.
Okay, then after this, see what is happening. We can write one delete function here. Delete book. We have to send again index. And inside this, booklist dot splice. This dot state dot play dot splice index comma 1. After that, we have to update the state again. This book is deleted. Now remaining should update under the state again using the, here is it deleted from the array, but it's not deleted from the state. So after deleting from array, we have to update the remaining variable under the state. Then it will reflect in browser. Hope done. Come down below. Delete book function we have to call in the list. We have a button called delete. On click equal to this dot delete book dot bind. Same as we did here. Index not. First will be this comma index.
This is the job.
This is the reserve always dot index.
The working survey. Here also same, sir. If you want to pass one more with it, sorry, index name parameter, sir. In functional component, deleting the time we are passing one more parameter, right? Like name,
Your voice is breaking. It's not coming clearly. Sequence internet.
yeah, delete. Am I audible, sir?
Sometime it's coming, sometime half only coming.
Yeah. Here, this and index we have written. We have to pass another parameter also, right? Like name or something.
We can pass multiple parameters. We can write here same. We can write here call book also we can pass here. Then we can display a message. Pass your book. So how many parameters? 3 now. This index and book. Index and book both we can capture there and we can display message.
Index class. This is the best class index. Okay.
This dot set state.
This the
Set state कहाँ है?
update.
That is wrong syntax. We have to write like this. No? This dot set state. Coming. So now here from below we pass how many parameter? 3 parameter. Index and book. We have to capture that also here. Index we have taken. We need to take one more call name. Delete will happen now, but to delete the display the message. To display the message we capture that. Clear? Now we can create one more state variable to display the message. We have name, new name. We can write here for message colon. We can write by default enter. Enter book name. Message. Okay. Now after saving the data, also we can display a message here. Message variable we can call. We can write here new name, new book plus save successful. Save message done. Similar way, come down. Here we can write message colon name plus deleted successfully. Ready? Now this variable we need to print. So we can print here after the h2. This dot state dot. Saving, deleting both the case, it will reflect properly. happening. Oh, new message is not defined. New book where we wrote. It's wrong only. No? Here new book how we can write? We have to write this dot state dot new book. This dot state dot new book we need to write. Name is okay because name is a parameter. Here name is a parameter that we can print it. But new book is not a parameter. It is a variable of state. So that we cannot call directly.
Working, sir.
Adding PHP deleted.
For a delete function, let's printing object deleted successfully.
Mm-hmm.
In delete function, let's printing object deleted successfully.
Flash is breaking. Voice is breaking. It's not coming clearly.
Sir, in delete function, it's printing object deleted successfully.
Delete function. Here is the delete function. Y object will come. I will passing here this. How many parameters you pass here? 3. Hmm?
Working, sir.
This is what we are printing here. This is what is that.
It's a book name.
Going. Name of the variable where we are holding the name. Okay, so next we need to see how to clear the text box. So we can go here after saving the value. There is no need of the new book. So that we can clear. New book after saving the value here. See, this line is saving the value. This line is displaying the message. After this, we don't require any kind of new variable is not required. So we can keep here new book colon empty. New book colon empty. Ready? Come down below. For a text box, value equal to, we can call the variable value equal to, we can call the variable, which variable? This dot state dot new book. It will clear. Now I'll add here call angular here. Angular save successfully. Clear happen. React save clear PHP. Saving is happening perfectly and delete is happening. Okay, so hope flow is clear. Next we need to work for multi-dimensional array. Same page we can take the and we can add the multiple fields. Page will remain same. We'll take the same page as a copy and we can add the number of more fields. Okay, so shall we go ahead? Create next file class 3.js. Class 3.js. We can take the copy of class 2. After that, we can modify the number of fields. Okay, so hope we copy paste. Next, first we'll modify the array. Here array. In the class name, my class 3. In the top also, the bottom also. Okay, so hope all is done. First, we'll modify the array book list. We have to convert into multi-dimensional array. Remove this and keep one array here. And price quantity, name, Java, price 300 rupees. One array we can add and we can modify the map. Okay, array is added. Now come to the map function in the last table. We have to modify book name, price and quantity action. Ready? From book list, book we will not write here. We can write book info because it is going to come as a object. Book info. So you can print info dot name. Info dot name. Info dot price and info dot QTY. And in the last we are passing directly name. You have to pass info dot name. Oh, not info. Hold on. It should be book info, no, everywhere. Okay, let me modify to the info only main array. Info dot name, price, quantity. Here I'll write info dot name. Info dot name. Okay, hope ready. So this function we have to, this page we have to integrate with the routing. So we need to go to which file? App.js file. So what map we have written? Come to the app.js file. My class 2 or my class 3? My class 3. I have given inside name as my class 2. Here. I have given the name as my class 2. No, 3 I have given. My class 3. My class 3. Okay. My class 3. Class 3.js file. Next, after that, we can add here one more link. Okay, so one details is coming. Delete will also work. Yes. Because this function is written. We need to add here the number of fields, name, price, and quantity. So one field name is working. Name already we have. Name, new name we have. New price, new quantity we have to capture. So you need to go to the state and create here new price. New price 0, new QTY colon 0. Okay, how variables are ready? Now how many function we required? We need one more pick name. Pick name we have already. Pick value. We need one more call pick price and pick QTY. So this function we can copy and we can add here pick price and pick QTY. Pick price and pick QTY. Okay. So here everything will be same. It will convert into new price. Convert it to new QTY. All three functions are written. Now call the pick price, pick QTY. We have to create the text boxes. So hope you created the three text box, three functions. Pick value, pick price, pick QTY. Call this function for the text boxes. You have to call this function for text boxes. You have to create two more text box, quantity and price. Created how many text box? Three. This is the one. We have to add one more and we need to call here book price. Pick price we need to call. New price. Next we need to add one more here. Pick QTY function. New QTY. Ready? Next, we need to work under the save function. Under the save function, we need to work text boxes work is completed. Yes, no. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go to the save function. Here you have to create a separate array variable equal to name. This dot state dot new name. New name or new book. New book. This you have to change. Info. Next will be called price. Will come from where? State only. This dot state dot new price. QTY will also come from there. State dot new QTY. So this become one array. We can place all in the new line.
Last column only.
Might say error. Unexpected.
Last
Where name is okay. Price is okay. QTY.
closing
Oh, this dot state semicolon.
Semicolon.
Semicolon तो सही है. There's not any problem from the semicolon. Oh. Inside a state, I'm writing this, right? Under the set state, we cannot write like this. No?
This is a new value.
No. Under the set state, you cannot write. You have to write out of the set state. Here. We have to generate that array outside. Okay. Then after that, concat inside we can pass the book info. This one. This will create outside. Okay. Book info is the normal local variable. It will work. B double OK INFO. Next we created here. Name is clear. New name. New price should become as a 0. New QTY should become as a 0. Now you can try this save function. It will add the new element. Listing will also happen. Save function you can try complete. Okay, written, saving or not? Save is happening or error? Not is save. Written. Name. Check some error will be there, minor error. Anyone else error or no error? Okay, if working, then we can log out. We'll see you next day.
Remaining how many classes required, sir, for class and Redux?
4 classes you need for the Redux and 4 classes you need for the class component. 7, 8 classes.
Okay, okay, sir. 7, 8. Okay, sir. No issue.